Hello friends, in this video we're gonna try how to do SEO analysis in Rank Math SEO plugin. I have made two videos on Rank Math, how to set up and what are the on-page optimization feature that Rank Math has. So those video link I'll give in the description. In this video we'll check one very important feature or interesting feature called SEO analysis in Rank Math SEO plugin. Usually other plugins doesn't have this kind of feature. Luckily Rank Math has this feature inbuilt, so you can check the SEO features, SEO analysis in the dashboard itself. For that, let me go to my WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged into dashboard, you have to go to Rank Math settings. You have to go down and click on SEO analysis. If you're running for the first time, then you have to run the site analysis, because I ran a couple of times, so it is giving me the score which is 87 out of 100. Anything above 80 is good, so I'm having 87, which is really good. So out of 34 tests that they have conducted, in 5 tests my website failed and in 29 it passed. So let me check the parameters on which it was passed. First of all, common keywords. My blog has all the common keywords. Talk about the description for the SEO. I have a very good description which has all the keywords like blogging, WordPress and digital marketing, all those things. My site has a H1 heading, which is really important. Your H1 heading should have a couple of your main keywords like blogging, WordPress and marketing. Let me go to H2. You should have a H2 heading. Again, it can have some keywords. All the images in my blog has the alt attributes. It is a must. If any of the images doesn't have alt attributes, that is not good for SEO. Coming to keywords in title and description, I have all the keywords in my meta title and meta descriptions. Then going to link ratio, I have enough internal links and I have a couple of external links, so a mix of both kind of link is okay. Coming to SEO title, or my SEO title has a couple of keywords which is good. Then I have a custom tagline for my website, and my blog can be indexed by search engine, so which is one more the parameter. Then the permalink structures, again that's a basic thing that all the blog has. And my focus keyword is there for all the blog posts. This is a must, but out of that 8 blog posts doesn't have a focus keyword in the title or in the description, which is not good. So I have to update my blog post to have the focus keyword in the title and the description. This is showing like how your search will show about your blog. This is my mobile, the mobile, how it will look like. One important thing is that canonical tag, which is important, like if you are sharing your blog post in Medium or other social media platform, then it has to have a tag called canonical tag, which is a HTML tag, which will tell the search engine that the actual owner is the WordPress blog, not the Medium or the any social media platform. Coming to no index tag, I don't have a no index tag, which is good. Again, my website will load even if you type www or not www. So this is again a parameter that you should have. My website has the open graph meta, which is important if you want to share your article in Facebook or Twitter. My site has a robot.txt file. It has schema markups. Again, it can be discovered in Search Console because I have linked Google Search Console to my blog. Then I have expert headers for the images in my blog, which is really important. Then couple of tests that my blog failed, like the CSS modification, then JavaScript modification. The reason it failed because I'm using auto optimize and those cannot be minified. So that's okay because auto optimize will take care of all the speed optimization. So those kind of thing you can ignore. Again, the number of requests is a bit more, should be ideally 20, mine is 24. The page size is 108 KB. It should be ideally 30 KB or 40 KB, but practically speaking, it is not possible to have a website having 30 KB site. The response time 0.2 second, which is again good. Coming to security, there are a couple of security measures that my blog passed. Ideally, for all the blog, it will be passed. Coming to social issue, like my blog is connected to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all other media platforms, so it will be always passed. So as you can see, like this is the parameter based on which rank math will give you the SEO analysis, and it will give a score, and you can find out like on which area you did not pass. You can work on that, you can fix that, and again you can try to achieve about 85 or 90, which is really good. Again, this is a on-page optimization. For your blog to rank high, you have to create backlinks, you have to promote your blog, and there are so many other things which is called off-page optimization. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you got some idea about the rank math SEO analysis tool. If you have any questions, any query, do that in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you so much.